Hi, I'm Danny Kloss with Point Refrigeration. You might remember me from that time I fixed your ice machine by cleaning it. Do we perform preventative maintenance service on ice machines? Why yes, we do PM ice machines. Ice machines are probably what we clean more than anything else because when they get really dirty from scale and mold growth, they stop working, and nobody wants to be without ice. Do we perform preventative maintenance service on walk-in coolers and freezers? Why yes, we do PM walk-ins. Our refrigerated machines are what we rely on, always working in the background to keep your product refrigerated or frozen. Doubly so for a walk-in. While cleaning coils and making necessary adjustments during your PM, you can be confident that your walk-in will continue to maintain the temperature that you expect it to be. Boy, this one sure is working great now. Do we perform preventative maintenance on reach-in coolers and freezers? Why yes, we do PM reach-in coolers and freezers. These guys are like little walk-in coolers with all the same parts, but because they are so small, they often get forgotten until they start giving you trouble. Cleaning the coils, drains, and checking for proper operation are vital to keep your reach-ins operating normally. Did you know that we offer preventative maintenance packages on all your refrigeration and air conditioning equipment? Cleaning condensers and evaporator coils, changing filters, and maintaining belts are all part of taking care of your business's AC system. Dirty equipment functions less efficiently, and really dirty machines, they don't function at all. No one wants to be without air conditioning during the hottest summer months. Give us a call and we will schedule a time to come out and do a site visit. We will work up a quote to take care of all of your ice machine, refrigeration, and air conditioning preventative maintenance needs. We like to focus on your refrigeration, ice machine, and air conditioning needs so you can focus more on your business. We'll see you next time.